Hello everyone, my name is Nuriana. In this video, I will explain phonograms that have more than one sound in English. A phonogram is a letter or a group of letters that represent a sound. One of the unique features of English is that the same phonogram can be pronounced in different ways depending on the word. Let's look at some phonograms that have multiple sounds. First, in single-letter phonograms, the letter A has 5 sounds. A in apple, A in cake, A in father, O in all, E in about. The letter A has 4 sounds. A in bed, E in me, E in problem, and can sound silent in make. The letter E has 3 sounds. E in sit, I in bike, E in machine. The letter O has 4 sounds. O in hot, O in home, U in to, A in love. The letter U has 4 sounds. A in sun, U in music, U in rule, U in put. The letter C has 2 sounds. K in cat, S in city. The letter G has 2 sounds. G in go, J in giant. The letter S has 2 sounds. S in sun, Z in rose. The letter X has 2 sounds. X in box, G in exam. The letter Y has 3 sounds. Y in yes, I in my, E in happy. Next, in multi-letter phonograms, R has 3 sounds. R in car, R in dollar, O in warm. O has 2 sounds. O in August, E in because. F has 2 sounds. O in cold, F in love. O in daughter. Ch has 3 sounds. Ch in chair, K in school, S in machine. A has 3 sounds. E in it, E in bread, A in steak. G has 3 sounds. D in plate, D in walked. A has 3 sounds. A in fin, E in receive, I in hate. In height. U has 2 sounds. U in crew, U in grow. A has 3 sounds. A in day, E in key, I in eyebrow. G has 2 sounds. G in guess, G in language. E has 3 sounds. E in field, I in pie. E in valise, O has 3 sounds. U in moon, U in book, A in blood. O has 4 sounds. O in out, O in soul, U in group, A in country. O has 2 sounds. O in snow, O in cow. C has 2 sounds. S in simple, Z in vision. T has 2 sounds. It can sound voiceless in thing and can also sound voice in this, think, and this. Ui has two sounds. U in fruit, E in build. In conclusion, many English phonograms can represent more than one sound. Understanding these different pronunciations can help us improve our reading, spelling, and speaking skills. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.